guy from Sudan. So I heard him speaking Arabic. I came to him and speaking Arabic. I didn't own the restaurant. He said, "No, take picture, whatever you." That was the power of language. Honestly, it is beautiful. This is one of the best restaurants. All right, I'm still in Kisutu marketplace, and I'm crossing the street right now to go to much more localized place. And it's a huge market, a huge mosque. I can see huge mosque here. Oh, okay. Whoops. Sorry, slow down, bro. Slow down, slow down. All right. This is a Sunni mosque building. I saw one of these actually in Arusha, Sunni building mosque. So look at this all Muslim quarter. All Muslim quarter. Look at this building. Oh my God. Beautiful, beautiful. Very old building. Very old building. All right, I'm gonna keep going straight up. I'm gonna just go stay in the middle of the road and Habari. Salam alaikum. All right. Anytime I see Muslim, I say Salam alaikum, they light up. Oh my God, that's a good thing anyway. Wow, check out this building here. Man, I love walking, and this is the mosque, local mosque. It's beautiful, cool. So I'm just walking down the road trying to record myself. Salam alaikum. Kafar. Okay, let me ask the security guard here. No, let me not ask. Because anytime you open a conversation with those dudes, they bring up something else. Okay. I am in the intersection right now. I know I'm in Kisumu. There's a street coming out there, there's a one going up there, and there's a one going over there. So, you know, I came from over there, and I think, yeah, I'm gonna still going up. Rihan Jewelry. I'm gonna still going up. Assalamu alaikum. كيف حال؟ الله يبارك فيك. كيف حالك؟ Yeah, video, YouTube. You wanna say hi? Yeah? You wanna say hi? Yeah? Okay. Salam alaikum. How are you? Are you from this neighborhood?
Yeah.
Oh, good. It's all Muslim quarter, a Muslim neighborhood, yeah?
Yeah.
The all Muslim, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, shukran, yeah? Salam. Allah yabarak fi. Habibi, salam alaikum. Muzuri sana, yeah? Asante. Good. All right. Okay. Yeah, he was good. You know, he was curious. You know, mostly when people, you know, look at you with dead face, literally they're curious. They, you know, sometimes maybe they've never seen a vlogger before. That's why they just froze and look at you with dead face. But the minute you start talking to him, they face relax, they start smiling. That's what I got this man right now, the old man. He was on the bike, he was completely surprised, looking at me with dead face, look serious. I said, Salam alaikum. He said, oh, wa alaikum salam. Then he was so happy. He said, yeah, I can feel him. You know, yeah, that's how it is, literally. All right, here we go. You gotta have a skill of conversation, literally, to be able to do a YouTube business. Because, you know, to be able to get people to engage with you, you have to be able to communicate with them in a nice way. Because sometimes, you know, but some people be very aggressive. That's when sometimes I lose my patience. It's beautiful up there. Really cool. You see that? I love this street. Nice. That's a modern building in the middle of the old city. But I'm gonna keep continuing. I'm gonna keep going. All right. I'm loving the old city already. I'm loving it. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm over my Tanzanian jersey. Everybody think I'm I'm local. They keep screaming, talking to me in Swahili. Alright. Woo! It's a cool building here. Look at this tall building. All right. I'm in one part of the town right now. I don't know where I'm at. Oh, there's a big, nice. Oops, sorry. All right. So, all right. Should I go there? I came from here. Should I go over there? All right, there's a small park over here. Let me see what's up. Oh, there's a clock tower. I'm gonna go to the clock tower. Sometimes I do avoid parks because you will see people chilling inside a park, but then they think they are in their house. They accuse you of filming them in the park. That's why sometimes in Africa I avoid park, because I had a lot of problem in Senegal about that. You know, Senegalese hate me to say that, but that's the truth. I want to independence, plus the independence. A lot of people are chilling out. They wouldn't allow me to pull my camera out. They've been yelling everywhere, you know, because the minute they come and chill in the park, they think it's their house, so that you cannot film. That's why in Africa, I always try to avoid parks. A bunch of people that sit around, and then they don't want you to film in the park. Without knowing park is a public space. Anyway, so far so good in Dar es Salaam. My first impression of Dar es Salaam. It's beautiful, beautiful. There's a lot of old buildings around, a lot of old buildings. All right, here I'm right here in the intersection. This is the tower clock, and I see erected by the citizen of Dar es Salaam to commemorate city statues 11 December 1961. I don't know what is that for the viewer. If you know what this tower clock is about, leave me a comment. Because they don't say anything, it's just for commemoration of something. That's what I see on the map. Anyway, I'm gonna go into the circle and see literally, and I see the police guy is over there trying to eyeball me right now. I don't know what's up to, but you know, he's slowing down, but he's not saying anything. Anyway, so I'm gonna get out of here. They're going over there, so this is a big tower clock here, you know, over there, that's where they're going. And also there's one more important thing here in Africa. Mostly they don't want you to film a government building, but sometimes how do you know it is a government building? Because the building will be everywhere, but maybe one or two will be government buildings. Then the security guard will be yelling, or the police will be pulling you aside and saying, hey, it is a government building, you cannot film. But it doesn't say anywhere it is a government building. You know, it's a guessing game. But in Morocco, in all like Arab countries, government building you will know, because they will have a flag everywhere, literally. They will wrap that damn building with a flag, whatever country they are, Morocco particularly, or Tunisia. That any government building, you will see huge flag surrounding the building with police right in the front. So then that is a sign to let you know it is a government building. But in Africa here, West or East Africa, most of the time they don't have flags. It's just a building, you have to guess by the name. So what happens if you don't see the name? So then you get into trouble, you know, for recording a government building. And in the most cases, they want to delete your footage. Oh my God, this guy over there wanted to delete my footage at the marketplace. I said, dude, if you delete this footage, I will lose about 10 minutes of recording. He said, oh, but he said he want to make sure I don't put it on my YouTube channel. I said, dude, but at the same time, you want a customer to come. Are you crazy? Wow, check out this building. It's crazy. Nice. All right, still walking around. Habari yako, salama mzuri? Mzuri sana. Poa poa. All right, I don't know what that is. This one, is it a church? Is it a mosque? I don't know, but yeah, it's very interesting building around here. Very interesting building. Kuheri. Habari. All right. Wow. This is another roundabout. Beautiful roundabout. Honestly, it's cool. There's a lot of matatus everywhere. So here, what I'm gonna do is it's a mosque actually. Salam alaikum. That is the mosque. I didn't know. Nice. Beautiful mosque though. Anyway. Can I keep moving? I'm just walking around. I don't even know where I'm going, but still in the old city. Still in the old city. That is another roundabout. Yeah, over there is the old city. See the mosque over there? Yeah. I think I'm going away from the old city right now. This is a Holiday Inn over there, the hotel Holiday Inn. But this building, I don't know what that is. Huge, imposing building. Wow. Yeah, and the old town is over there. Kisumu, old town. Sorry. This is shawarma section. والله ممكن؟ ما شاء الله. واو. حلو زين. ما أنت توصلنا. Okay. Actually, I asked him if I can film. He said me, yeah, no problem at all. So I'm filming everybody right now. The money is behind me. He allowed me to film. It's a beautiful restaurant. Yeah, he's the man here. Yeah, he's telling me to record everything. Oh, okay. ما شاء الله ما شاء الله.
في أكل كثير.
إيه. هذا عندهم مندي
مندي خلاص اليوم زحمة كثير.
أوكي.
في أكل كثير، في أفريقي، في يمني، في عربي، في كل شيء.
في كل شيء. مختلف يعني.
روح.
الله يبارك يا حبيبي. شكرا. Oh my God, it's crazy. You know, you see the beauty of language. You know, I was speaking to him actually. This guy from Sudan. I heard him speaking Arabic. I came to him and speaking Arabic. I didn't even own the restaurant. He said, "No, take a picture, whatever you want." That was a power of language. Honestly, it is beautiful. This is one of the best restaurants around here. It's called Chef's Kitchen, and I came here. That's why I'm filming everybody. You know, really nice. He told me to run my camera, no problem. But I'm under pressure because I don't want to intrude people's life. But you know, look at this. I mean, they got some beautiful buffet food here. Sorry. Chef back in the kitchen there, doing her stuff. Look at those rice. Wonderful. Buffet style. You know, the chef is back there. I'm in a restaurant now. Actually, it's called Chef's Kitchen. It looks like it is one of the best restaurants around here. It's very popular. It is in the old town. Honestly, the food looks really, really, really great. So I think it's packed. I don't want to just intrude people's privacy while they're eating. That's why I'm trying to be really, really discreet. This is beautiful. Check this. It's a chicken stew I ordered. Chicken stew. You know, this came up to 10,000. About 10,000. I'm gonna translate it how much is in dollars. It is really, really affordable. This is wonderful. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna give you something. So cool. I have to say thank to him, honestly. Without him, I wouldn't be here. Honestly, that's the power of his language. When he's communicating with people with their language, they're always happy. Ara habibi ma salam, shukran, Allah yabarik fik. Bye. Allah yabarik fik, man. Okay, this was awesome. Honestly, I was never. Power of language, it is incredible. I was sitting and I didn't want to intrude myself, impose myself on people when they were eating. And suddenly the guy sitting behind me, I heard him speaking Arabic. And I came to them, I said, Habibi, you guys speaking Arabic? They said, yeah. I said, where you guys from? They said, oh, the guy told me they're from Sudan. I said, whoa, mashallah. So they were surprised that I was Arabic. They said, how come you speak Arabic? So I told them my background anyway. And it happened to be, they were the owner of the restaurant. He told me, take your picture, go anywhere. Go anywhere you want with your camera. That was awesome. So, you know, as you see it, Chef's Kitchen is in downtown Dar es Salaam. Awesome place, packed, very famous. I think very well known in this spot. When you're in town, this is the place you should hang out. I think I might come back here at night because it looks like the night is the most important. Whatever I want, the most important, the nice nightlife is popping. From Rwanda, Kampala, and also to Nairobi. All most important is popping all over. How are you? Good? Now it's frozen. How are you? Good? Salam, habari? Habari yako? Mzuri sana. Tanzania mzuri sana. Swahili. Tanzania. All right, guys, this is a beautiful thing, you know, everybody's happy, and that, but over there, the restaurant is popping, man. This is a place you should come and hang out. All right, guys, I'm gonna close today's vlog, and now it's getting, the sun is going down. I'm gonna head off to my hotel. Until next time, Kuwairi, as they say, Kuwairi. Have a good one. Bye.
Like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe because many more videos on the way. Thank you.